And I was on a Suzuki I'd bought at the shop, and Suzuki had a spot open because Ferry got hurt, and they gave it to another rider. And that was the moment in my life that I just crushed me, because I'd worked since I was a little kid to get a factory ride. That's all I wanted. They gave the ride to a slower rider at the time, and I knew at that moment I was like, it's not going to happen. I'm not going to get a factory ride. And that's when I kind of just got mad, even madder. And I was like, fuck this sport. And I was just so mad. And then I just went into tricks and freestyle and what can I do besides racing to make a living? And that's when we started doing all the tricks on dirt bikes, and Crusty Demons came out, Moto XXX, and then it kind of snowballed, obviously. And I walked away from racing. I could have kept racing. Who knows? Maybe I would have got a ride one day. Maybe I wouldn't have. And so at the end of the day, I took a chance. I walked away, started a sport with some other guys, and it paid off. It was the right time, and it was a massive risk, and it worked, So 99 X Games, that was one of the coolest things, showing up, moto guys that were living out of the back of my van, till there's Tony Hawk, there's Nyquist, there's all these dudes I watched on TV since the 95 X Games when it started, and there's crowds, huge crowds, and then we crack up the dirt bikes, and then we start hitting, Mickey Diamond designed this gnarly course on the pier, and we start hitting these 80-foot, 100-foot dirt jumps, and the crowd just comes running. They've never seen nothing like it, and thousands of people surround this jump park, and at that point, I'm like, it's on. It's freaking on. From that point, it was boom, and then it just snowballed from there,